Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Let me shock you gently. Hard work does not create wealth. Effort does not decide income. Fire position does. Many people are working hard, yet earning little. Others work less, yet earn more. The difference is not effort. It's the wealth positioning grid today. I'll show you a framework that explains where money flows and why. Medium white star section 1. What is wealth positioning? Wealth positioning means where you stand in the value chain, who pays you, how many people your work reaches, how replaceable you are. Money flows toward leverage positions, not labor positions. Medium white star section 2. WHY. Most people are poorly positioned. Most people are trapped in crossmark low leverage roles, crossmark replaceable skills, crossmark small reach, crossmark single income dependency, crossmark time for money exchanges. They are working inside the grid, not above it. Medium white star section 3. The wealth positioning grid explained. The wealth positioning grid has 4 zones. Down pointing red triangle zone 1. Labor zone, paid by time, easily replaceable, income capped, hard work lives here. Wealth does not. Down pointing red triangle zone 2. Skill zone, paid for expertise, higher income, still time bound, better, but still limited. Up pointing red triangle zone 3. Leverage zone, systems, teams, automation, platforms, income multiplies here. Up pointing red triangle zone 4. Ownership zone, assets, equity, intellectual property, distribution. This is where wealth compounds. Medium white star section 4. How to move up the grid. Keycap 1. Upgrade skills with scalability. Keycap 2. Increase audience or reach. Keycap 3. Build systems around effort. Keycap 4. Create assets from knowledge. Keycap 5. Shift from worker to owner. Movement, not motivation, creates wealth. Medium white star section 5. Signs you are well positioned. White heavy checkmark. Income grows without more effort. White heavy checkmark. Work scales. White heavy checkmark. Time pressure reduces. White heavy checkmark. Opportunities come to you. White heavy checkmark. Money becomes predictable.